Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the screen flickering on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. So what do you want to do first is go over to the settings. Now here, let's go back to the main page, and here we need to go over to display. Now in the display, we need to adjust our brightness manually. So here you guys can basically adjust it, as you guys can see. Now make sure to disable the adaptive brightness and disable the extra brightness. And what you guys can also do is change the motion smoothness to 60 Hz, but sometimes it just does nothing. I'm not talking about the difference between 60 and 120 Hz, but I'm talking about the screen flickering. So you guys can test it out and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Now what you guys can do is download the screen dimmer app from Play Store, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So go over to Play Store. Here I need to sign in, so I'll see you guys in a second. Now go to search, and here search for the screen dimmer, and it will be the OLED Saver. Now here, open up this first app that pops up. It's a black and white icon. Click on install and it should install instantly. As you guys can see, it's installing already, not even downloading. Let's click open now, and here we need to give a lot of permissions. So starting off with the modifying system settings, basically it's important to control our brightness. Now here in accessibility, go to installed apps, and here select screen dimmer. It's also very important because whenever you use your keyboard or something, then it will still change the dimming. And now after that, let's just give notifications, click allow, and now click enable service. Now what you guys can do is change its value here just by sliding, and it should also help with the screen flickering. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.